Okay, I'm planning a trade ahead of time. Lots of consolidation. If it breaks out and retests, I'm going to go long, but I'm not going to chase it. If it goes fast and gives me some consolidation, red candles ignored, I'll take that as well, an RBI as well. Here's a consolidation before the breakout, which looks good. I like that. Let's see if it goes over the top of that little consolidation. Nope, it was rejected. Okay, so if it would have taken off right there, that would have been a quick little stop loss, little attempt. That's viable. Here's another possible stop loss area if it breaks out over the top. And on the 5-minute chart bottom left, you can see just how sideways it's been. Pintail, moving averages are drifting up here. I think it's worth a try, but it's definitely got to break out. And I don't want to try it at this point. I can see why people would anticipate that, but I don't think I'm going to anticipate that. If the day was a green day, maybe, but the day's a red day. Top left, you can see the red day. It's got a nice pintail on the bottom. It's coming up, but it's a red day nonetheless. So if it was a green day, I'd approach this setup a little bit differently. But here's the breakout, and here's the retest. Let's see if it's going to keep going.
Order
All right,
filled.
we're going to try it. My pin stop is going to be underneath this pivot right here. And we'll see if it keeps going. If it doesn't, I think it's worth a try because we got a consolidation, a breakout, and a continuation, and it's worth a try to me. Let's see what happens. And if it doesn't work, here we go. Right back to my stop loss area. Let's see if it's going to hit me.
Stop filled.
Okay, it didn't work, but to me, that was worth a try. It was worth a try on that. Get a little breakout try. You got it all figured out ahead of time. The stop loss is calculated. It's not a big deal. We took our loss. Don't move the stop loss around. Don't add to a losing trade. Those days are over. We are managing risk professionally now, and this has to always be in your emotional toolkit. You have to always have enough emotion to deal with this, enough psychological power to handle losses, even multiple losses in a row. So that was good. That's cool. So you don't want to keep adding to this. And we took that little loss. I'm glad. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably nothing, because we've tried to break out there, and there. It tried to sell off there, and now we got the 50 moving average just going sideways. So I just don't think I'll take another trade on it. We'll see. Okay, let's see if that was a liquidity sweep. Fake to the top side, fake to the bottom, swept the bottom, swept the top, and now a lot of times it'll come back into the range and take off. Let's see if we understand that properly or not, and try to get a one-to-one on this. Now, just for the record, this is another sweep up over the top, and another sweep over the top, and another sweep at the bottom. Fortunately, I like to keep my stops a few ticks past the sweep, because it did. It swept this level here, swept this level here, same as it did over here. It swept that level, swept that. So we call that is a megaphone pattern. And those are the most difficult patterns to trade and markets. It's finally going to come down and get me, I think. There we go. Hopefully I'll be able out of this trade, but that's okay. That's a, we're learning, and we have to learn. I'll let you know if this thing stops me out. It should stop me out right now. Okay, sometimes we get ticked out of a trade, and sometimes we get ticked in a trade. This time it missed me by one little tick, and it went back up over the top, and as soon as it did, I got out because I don't trust it. I don't trust it. It might finally be ready to break out. This looks like a good continuation, but this market right now, after sweeping the high, sweeping the low, then sweeping the high and sweeping the low, coming one tick away from me, I did make a little bit off this entire trade, even after the first loss. So I'm not going to chance it, and I am done for the day. See you on the next video. Peace.